Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Valencia County in central New Mexico, Bernallio County in central New Mexico, until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 1:55 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Rio Rancho to near South Valley, moving northeast at 10 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Albuquerque, Los Ranchos de Albuquerque, Bosque Farms, Peralta, South Valley, North Valley, Isleta Pueblo, and Alameda. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 150 and 168. Interstate 25 between mile markers 204 and 235. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Heavy rains from severe thunderstorms can produce sudden and dangerous flows in arroyos, ditches, and overflow water crossings. Do not attempt to drive through areas where water covers the roadway. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 2:30 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following counties in New Mexico, Bernallio and Valencia.